This is Richie's Radio Room.
Is this a dead man, Doctor? Very dead, Mr. Spock.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to RichiesRadioRoom.com. Yeah, that's it right there. This is just kind of a channel update. I just wanted to say that I'm not dead yet.
I'm not dead.
Yeah, he says he's not dead.
Yes, he is. I'm not.
And my website is down for a little bit because I've switched from GoDaddy to WordPress, and it's a whole different thing, and I got to figure it out. But anyway, I will talk more about it as we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the battery in this skill twist. I really like these skill twists. They got a lot of torque to them. Lately I've been using these cheap old things, and they're fine, but I'm going to repair this now. I just did this one, and it's working great, and it's got plenty of torque. Anyway, so, and I did not come prepared, did I? Oh, yes, I did. There we go. So, yeah, so what has happened? I haven't downloaded anything in, what, a year? Has it been that long? A lot's happened. I had COVID twice. That really knocked me on my hinder. And then with work, I work at the Wisconsin Military Academy, and we were host to the Afghan refugees. Actually, we were host of the interpreters. These people were refugees before. I'm not going to get in a political discussion about it, but anyway, so put it this way, we've been packed and we can't get anybody to work. Nobody wants to get a clearance or even work anymore, so by October 1st, I will have everything else up and running and having a video out at least once a week. That is my goal. So, mostly repair videos. I repair a lot of Atari 2600s. I repair, refurbish, and I put in power on indicator lights. I recap everything. A pause switch. Did you know you could pause? Nintendo? Well, now you can. And where you don't have to use the old F connectors. I just dropped my microphone. Hello, everybody. I'm back. That was the whole point of the whole show. Tell you I'm back.
I'm back, baby.
Oh! You're back from the dead?
I'm back from lots of stuff.
Did it again. Boy, nothing but high quality here. But anyway, yeah, none of these anymore. There'll be the RGB connectors, and then you can always go to HDMI if you want. That was really good. That might work. This is, what do I do with it? Here it is. These are nickel battery strips for spot welding, which is what I'm going to do. You can try soldering, but boy, probably not going to work. Definitely not. So this is $50. This is a H8C, and I've had others. They were red, and they were like two circuit boards put together, and you had to provide your own battery. And you pretty much needed a car battery for it. I don't recommend them at all. So this thing here, what they'll say is they have 6 gears. What they mean is they'll have 6 different settings, and you change it. First, long press, it comes on. See, it's flashing 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's on the 3rd setting, and that works pretty good. So you can go up to 6 just by pushing it once more. So that's 4. That's 1, 2, 3. And then if you and if you long press it, it'll shut it off. Now you can hold these. I wouldn't put them on your tongue or anything. But boy, I'm so glad I bought these. They work good too if you want to replace the battery on your Atari games, like Zelda. Ooh. Once you get that first zap. So when you're going to hear 2 beeps. I didn't hear 2 beeps. Okay, 1 beep. Sorry. This one does 1 beep, and then it'll do 1 beep and then pow. And this is there pretty good. That's in there pretty darn good. So now we'll flip it over. Yeah, so big plans for the channel. I just ain't got time to do it. I've been working on... I purchased a camper, an old Frolic, 1978 Frolic, for $1,000. I'm turning it into a mobile, manned emergency communications relay platform. And I use it for a camper. I'm sure I'll be doing some videos with it. Ooh, getting hot. Yeah, so anyway, I looked online for the K8C spot welder. I'm really not finding them, but if they look like this, they're pretty much all the same. Like I say, don't buy them red ones that are, sometimes they come in a kit. They're garbage. As a matter of fact, I bought one, it didn't work, and I made a deal with the seller. It still wound up costing me money. Anyway. So, positive. Actually, this is the positive. I might need to cut that down a little bit. Oh, that's good. All right. So I will just crimp this a little bit. Don't always think that red is positive. It ain't always. And I wish these were fused. But they're not. Alright. Let me apologize for the quality of this video. It wasn't meant to be high production. Just letting everybody know that I'm back. I'm going to be doing a lot of game repair videos, ham radio videos, stuff like that. Drone video, but a lot of repair. Alright. By the way, I could sometimes get into this. This whole thing comes apart here. I'm not going to do it now. But if you find these in thrift stores, whatever, secondhand stores, almost guarantee you that the nickel cadmium battery in them is bad. You should replace it with a 3.7. I should have told you that. This is 3.7 volts. It's close enough. How much you want to bet she's going to work right now? Nope. Okay. No charge on it? You know, I really should check it. Make sure that there isn't anything else wrong with it. I got 1 volt. All right. Just 3 screws, as you can see. There was a little slider thing in here, just like this one. And what it does is that locks this to, if you want to use it like a regular screwdriver, if you run out of battery juice, but I'm not gonna. This is just a backup. Like I say, I really do like these. They're hard to break. These are about 20 bucks at Walmart. I do like the Hyper Tough brand stuff. It's really okay for home shop use. And Walmart has the Heart brand as well. These are actually pretty nice. They got the spinny on the top where if you had to, you can get in there and you can push on that really hard and still turn. Isn't this a wonderful video? Anyway, so yeah, I'm back. Hopefully it won't take me till October 1st. I will have another video coming out before October 1st. And I'll say right now, I'm thanking VintageGaming.com. He sent me some things to try out, which I will do, which we will do. So I'm going to charge this up for, let's do 30 seconds. So it's on the cradle. What else can we talk about? Let's talk about this. Let's talk about WD-40 contact cleaner. Have you used this? I'm digging it, man. I like this stuff. Yes, it's pretty much the same thing as CRC, but it seems like it's got a little more propellant in it. It gives you a much better blast. And smell-wise, it smells just the same. And of course, you get the smart straw, as they call it. The CRC does not. So I have to keep a rubber band on the can. Anything? Oh yeah? Hear that? Just a couple seconds. It's not going to go in. Oh, it goes slow in reverse. But I only had it on for 30 seconds. So there you go. Not much of a video. Check out my other videos if you want something better quality, like the Pixie 40, and I will be coming back to that after a while. Anyway, thanks for watching.
I'm back, baby!
This is Richie's Radio Room.
This has been a Fat Cam production.